Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, y'all, I'm off work. But I'm at Kroger because I'm gonna go get some veggies. I have a little list and some fruit. Because I want to try to make a smoothie. I got these stuffed baby yellow mushrooms. Those look very interesting. I think I'm gonna try this. I'm not gonna get too much though, because I think I tend to go overboard. They got this asparagus saute. I really wish like I could be a salad girly, but I don't like lettuce. I do not like lettuce at all. Hello? Well, when I went to tell her about it, I don't remember where you was at. You wasn't at your desk. No, you was already late. Oh, okay. Is there cherries and grapes? I don't want to overdo it with the fruit because I don't want it to go bad or anything. So most of the fruit that I need for the smoothie is frozen fruit, but it says fresh lime, freshly squeezed for best taste. They got lime juice and a thing. They do have lime juice. I'm gonna grab 2 of these. They have chicken, so I'm gonna get that. I'm just trying to find quick little options that I can just put together. As long as it's healthy, I don't care. Oh, look. Ooh, look at this black and grilled chicken. How much is this? This is $9. Oh, look at this. But this whole meal is $9. Let's see. Oh, it's not bad for $9. Let me see. And it's only 430 calories. Huh. Man, I'm gonna get me a few of these. Ooh, that hair is cute. Your hair is cute. Everybody don't have a half the head for like a little short pixie that's like really, really short and just molded. Like, I don't know if I could just wear my hair down and just have it molded. Okay, so let's go over to the meat. It's honey keto bread. So I forgot about these little frozen like Lean Cuisine and Smart Ones and Healthy Choice. So I think I'm gonna grab a couple of these because these is like, they're not that bad. And I've been craving pizza. So I'm definitely finna get these. Oh, and they got cauliflower crusted pizza. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna get this. I like my own wrap. You know what? No, because I got pizza at home. I have pizza at home. I always talk about what he wants and just says. Let's see. Something with some veggies in it. You know, I don't need to get a whole bunch of these. I'm gonna just get a couple to try. I like this grilled chicken and Alfredo. I'm gonna try that one. That's Cajun style chicken and sausage. That's what I just say. I think I'll try this Cajun style. No. Oh, look at that one. Lemon herb chicken. That looks good. I'll try these two. Okay, so I'll do a haul when I get home because I just started picking up stuff. But it was recommended in the comments to try the beet juice. They said raw beet juice, but I guess beet juice is beet juice. So we're gonna go with that. To help with, what was that, cholesterol? I don't even remember. But let's go check it out. Let me show you everything I got from the store and put it up as we go along. So, got the orange juice and pineapple juice to make the smoothie. Yeah, smoothies. Also got the frozen strawberries and pineapple chunks. Got some pepperoni because I have cauliflower pizza. It's cheese pizza and it don't have any pepperoni on it. So I got some pepperoni. Got the baked chicken and the stuffed mushrooms. I think I'm gonna have some of those tomorrow. Or tonight if I get hungry. Got the grapes. That was high as hell. Everything just high. Need to rinse those off. I also got cherries. They had cherries. I've been looking for those for a while. Finally got them. High as hell too. Got some aluminum pans because I don't like washing dishes. Some Honey Nut Cheerios. Got some gum. Nothing like some gum and water. I got this Simply Steamer's grilled chicken and broccoli Alfredo. It's only 190 calories. This one is the protein bowl lemon herb chicken. That's $4.60. Got these asparagus. And I got some more tuna. I got the lemon pepper kind and the sunflower kind because I wanted to try the lemon pepper because I like lemon peppers. The keto bread. It's low carb, so that's why I get it even though I'm not doing keto. I got some cotton rounds because I was out of those. Well, almost out. Some more carb balanced tortillas. I like to make little fajitas at the house, so I always gotta have those on deck. I got some condiment cups for when I take my tuna to work. That way I can just put a little mayonnaise in here. Whatever sauce I may need, I can put it in there. But I know for a fact I like to take the mayonnaise and stuff. Got some eggs. Warming up my lunch. Last bag is that beet juice. Not excited about that, but I got it. Got some avocado oil cooking spray. Got some lime juice. I found a bigger one, so I didn't have to get two. Lemon pepper seasoning. Honey for the smoothies. And my favorite, Taco Bell Chipotle sauce. And I also got some onion powder. So that completes the whole, guys. This is all the things that I got.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we